In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products online using systeme.io in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and take you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience setting up your digital storefront. First things first, you'll need to access your systeme.io dashboard. To do this, simply open your browser and head over to the systeme.io website. Once you're there, enter your login email and password. Be sure to keep this information secure as it's crucial for managing your digital products. After inputting your credentials, click on the Sign In button, which will take you to your main dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Websites section. It's here that you'll begin the process of setting up your digital sales funnel. Click on Websites to access the options available for creating your site. Next, you're going to click on Sales Funnels. This is a significant step as funnels are the backbone of your digital sales strategy. Funnels guide customers through your sales process, ultimately leading them to make a purchase. Once you've clicked there, you'll want to initiate the creation of a new funnel by clicking on Create. Now think about a suitable name for your funnel. This name should reflect both your brand and the digital product you're selling. Type in your preferred funnel name and then click on Sell to specify that you're setting up a digital product sales funnel. After that, you'll be prompted to select your preferred currency. Choose the currency you want to operate in and ensure that it aligns with the needs of your target market. Once you've made your selection, click on Save to preserve these settings. Now click on the name of your newly created funnel to open up more customization options. Here, you'll need to select a template for your funnel by clicking on Select Template. Choose a design that complements your product type. Following that, indicate that your offer type is a digital product by selecting the appropriate option. To add the digital product you're intending to sell, click on the plus button and then choose your preferred digital product name. This action links your product to the funnel, ensuring it's ready for customers to purchase. After adding your product, you'll need to set a pricing plan. Choose a price plan that best fits your sales strategy. If you're opting for a subscription model, select subscription to offer recurring payments. Make sure to finalize your price plan by clicking again on the designated price plan button. With all these settings in place, save your progress by clicking Save. The final piece of the puzzle is to set up your payment gateways. This step is crucial for processing transactions. Go to Settings, then Payment Gateways, where you can integrate your preferred payment processors. Make sure this integration is successful as it will enable you to accept payments seamlessly. And there you have it, you've set up your digital product sales funnel using systeme.io. Follow these steps diligently and you'll be well on your way to successfully selling digital products online.